Hello and welcome, and in this video we're going to find out what is the function of the insert key on your MSI laptop. So the basic function of this key is to just change the input mode of your keyboard, because as you can see, if we type in these letters, they are getting overwrite because I have enabled the insert key. I pressed it. But when we go here and click the insert key, as you can see, it doesn't overwrite the text that we have written. And if we enable it back in, it will overwrite the text in front of it. So that is the function of the insert key. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.